Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Wheatstone Bridge. Wheatstone Bridge is an arrangement of resistances by which the resistance of a given conductor can be determined. And this arrangement I have made here is known as Wheatstone Bridge. In Wheatstone Bridge, four resistances, here you can see P, Q, R and S, are arranged to form a parallelogram. One of the diagonal BD is connected with a galvanometer with a key, and the another diagonal AC is connected with a cell and a key. As the current I flows through this cell, and after reaching at A, it divides into I1 and I2. In the balanced condition of Wheatstone bridge, there is no current between B and D, means B and D are at same potential. In this situation, galvanometer shows no deflection, and this situation is called balanced Wheatstone bridge, or the balance condition of a Wheatstone bridge. Now applying the Kirchhoff's law in closed loop ABDA, here we can see the current is I1 and the resistance is P, so I1P or PI1 minus I2R, because there is no current in this, so minus I2R is equals to 0, or I1P is equals to I2R. This is equation number 1. Similarly, in the next closed loop, that is BCDB, we are considering here and going in this direction. From B to C, the current is I1 and the resistance is Q, so I1Q minus I2S is equals to 0, because the direction of I2 is different from our direction. So from second equation we get I1Q is equals to I2S. Now dividing equation 1 by equation number 2, we will get I1P upon I1Q is equals to I2R upon I2S, or P upon Q is equals to R upon S. This is called the condition for a Wheatstone bridge to be balanced. Here the arms P and Q, these arms P and Q are known as ratio arms. Ratio arms. The AD is known as known arm, and this DC is known as unknown arm. So we can calculate this value of S by knowing the ratio of P and Q and the value of R. So S is equals to P by Q into R. This is the formula for calculating the unknown resistance. And the application of Wheatstone bridge is meter bridge, by using which we can calculate the unknown resistance.